Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video takes a look at the Lantone DIY Your Genuine Overdrive Guitar Effect Pedal All Kits US2. This isn't just a pedal, it's a kit that lets someone build their own piece of gear. The promise here is a genuine overdrive sound, specifically crafted to capture the warm, authentic tone of a legendary pedal that many guitarists cherish. At its heart is an analog circuit. This is crucial for many players who seek the rich, organic, and dynamic response that only analog components can provide, offering a level of interaction with the guitar's volume knob and playing dynamics that digital effects often struggle to replicate. Once assembled, the pedal presents a stylish and classic gold finish. This aesthetic choice adds a touch of elegance to any pedal board, giving it a premium and timeless look. Functionality is kept simple and direct. The pedal features easy-to-use knob controls. These allow a player to quickly and intuitively dial in their perfect tone, whether they're looking for subtle breakup or a more pronounced, overdriven crunch. There's no complex menu diving, just straightforward control over the sound. For musicians who need portability and convenience, this pedal is battery-powered. This makes it incredibly easy to take to gigs, rehearsals, or just play anywhere without needing a power outlet nearby. It's a practical feature for the working musician or someone who likes to keep their setup minimal. The kit format itself offers a unique experience. The satisfaction of building the pedal from components before plugging it in and hearing the result. The genuine overdrive sound delivered by the analog circuit is the main attraction, providing that sought-after warm saturation and sustain. The gold finish ensures it looks as good as it sounds. Its ease of use means more time playing and less time tweaking. And the battery power adds significant versatility. The Lantone US2 kit provides a compelling option for those wanting to build a high-quality, analog overdrive pedal with classic tone and looks, designed for simple operation and portability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.